Hi, Amanda and Mary.
Hi, Mary. Hi, Amanda.
It's Dana and Maggie.
Here we are at the French gate to the old city of Pamplona, Spain.
Dana, show them. Show them.
Okay.
See the gate? See?
The gate.
We walked through that.
Yeah. Just like these pilgrims are doing. These people walking up, the pilgrims finishing a leg of the Camino de Santiago, which Maggie and I took on, starting in a place called Roncesvalles in the Pyrenees Mountains, and ending up here in Pamplona. It was around 30 miles, and I got to tell you, 30 miles was no picnic, but
we did it, damn it. I started with Amanda 4 years ago, sort of prehabbing for back surgery. I could barely walk. And after 4 years with Amanda's guidance, I can do many things. And I had this bright idea last November of going to maybe Spain and enjoying ourselves. And fortunately, we have a friend who has an apartment here in Pamplona and offered us their apartment. So that started us thinking. So
the Camino goes right through the city of Pamplona. We're standing on it right now. This is how we entered the city after our 30 or so mile trek.
So, as a Christmas gift to Dana, I gave him sessions with Mary. And he started his training for our March journey here.
Last fall. And I gotta say, as a young guy, I played football, and the next day after the first practice of the season, we were in all kinds of pain. Maggie and I took this thing on with the training that Mary and Amanda had given us. And we kept saying, "You okay? You okay?" We kept waiting for the pain. We kept waiting for the discomfort. And I can't say it ever really happened until we were home. We were back here in Pamplona, and my calves were tight. You can imagine a 30-mile hike, and all that was the matter was that my calves were a little tight. Stretched out according to Mary's suggestions, and boy oh boy, feeling great.
So, Dana celebrated his 72nd birthday on the Camino.
Woo-hoo.
So, at any age, you can do this, damn it. Just do what they say. It works. And believe in yourself. Right, dear?
Yep, we believe.
We believe. We believe.